welcome to News in Flash column of 19 July 2021. It is presented to you by Law Seco. I'm Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. World Day for International Justice, 17th July. So 17th July has been accorded as the World Day for International Justice. On this day, the most important institutions of the United Nations, the International Court of Justice, and also the International Criminal Court ICC had been adopted by the Rome Statute, and this day is commemorated the adoption for ICC's founding treaty. Then in 1945, the ICJ was established, and this is the United Nations principal judicial organ. Interestingly, is the only principal United Nations body located in Hague, Netherlands, and it is outside New York. As we know, most of the principal organs of United Nations are in New York. Also, this institution is responsible for adjudicating matters of international importance. The theme for the celebration of this year's World Day of International Justice is a call for social justice in digital economy. Moving to the next news item, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban launches a short film contest Khushiyon Ka Ashiana. So the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which is the world's largest affordable housing mission, has been launched two unique initiatives known as the Khushiyon Ka Ashiana, which is a short film contest of 2021, and another is Awas Per Samvad series, that is of series of 75 seminars and workshops. Both these initiatives are being implemented on a challenge and competition mode and are among other several events proposed by the part of Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav program of Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of Progressive India program and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements of Indian people. So for the short film contest, applications are invited from the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban beneficiaries, students, youth, members of civil society, institution and individuals or groups on the broad theme of 6 years journey of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban mission and how it has impacted lives of people, thereby bringing transformation, dignity and enabling empowerment. Moving to the next positive news of the day, Japan sets fastest internet speed world record. So, researchers at the National Institute of Information and Communication Technology in Japan have set a new world record for the world's fastest internet at the speed of 319 terabytes per second in the form of long haul transmission over 3001 kilometers. The previous record was of 178 terabyte, which is almost the half of this, and this record was set up by researchers from University College of London. The speed test was performed in lab using advanced fiber optic technology in Japan. Moving to the next news item, Nelson Mandela International Day on 18 July. So 18 July has been accorded as the National Mandela International Day, and it is celebrated every year on July 18th and also known as Mandela Day. He was the former president of South Africa, as we all are aware of it, and he was president from 1994 to 1999. The United Nations officially declared July 18th as Nelson Mandela International Day in 2009, and it was first celebrated in 2010. Please note that he had been a very big ambassador for peace and he had worked a lot for getting away with the apartheid issue which was there in Africa. So the theme for this year is one hand can feed another. So this was all for today. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.